We are at the Hyatt Regency in Bellevue, Washington. We're going to check out the gym. We're on the second floor. We're going to follow the signs. We're going to go up another half level. And it's kind of a long walk to get to the area for the gym. It's kind of tucked around some of the conference rooms. But follow this and you'll be able to find it. And when you get there, it's still a little bit confusing, but follow along and we'll try to help you to get to where you're going. So we got the men's room right here. This is going to be the entrance to the gym. And if you come this way, there's going to be a shortcut to the pool. A lot of this area is super confusing, but water fountain, and then this is the shortcut to the pool. Right, the gym's right there. Then we turn around and we have a proper lap pool. There's one dedicated for the laps, and it gets as deep as 3 feet 6 inches. Here we go. Stay healthy out here. A shower, some soap. Towels over here. Couple places to sit, and then we have the mall area views. Got some paddle boards. Boogie boards. Some goggles in there too.